Hello student, in today's video we will discuss the topic fraction further. In this video we will cover the topics representation of fraction and types of fraction. Let us start with our first topic, that is representation of fraction. Fraction is represented as a oblique b in one line and as a upon b in traditional notation, where a and b both are non-zero integers. A is numerator and b is denominator. Here, numerator represent number of equal parts and the denominator represent total number of the same parts which make the whole. Let's understand the representation of fraction with one example. Consider we want to write the fraction for this part of the cake. If we cut this cake in the slices of equal size as shown by dotted line, then this cake will result in 3 pieces. So numerator is 3 and total 4 parts will make the whole. So denominator is 4 and fraction will be 3/4 or 3 by 4. Let's take one more example. We want to write the fraction for the cake shown in figure 2. And if we cut the parts of the size as shown in figure 1, it will result in 7 pieces. So numerator will be 7 and total 8 parts will make the whole. So denominator will be 8 and fraction will be represented as 7/8 or 7/8. Let's take one more example. Now we want to write the fraction for the part of the cake as shown in figure 1. If we cut it in the parts of the size as shown in figure 2, it will result in 2 pieces. So here numerator is 2 and 8 parts will make the whole. So denominator will be 8 and fraction will be represented as 2/8 or 2/8. Let's move to the second topic, that is types of fraction. The first one is proper fraction. The fraction in which numerator is less than denominator are called proper fraction. For example, 3/7, 4/9, 5/13 are proper fractions. The second type is improper fraction. Improper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is greater than denominator. 7/3, 8/5, 11/7, etc. are examples of improper fraction. Let's do one question so that you can understand the difference between improper fraction and proper fraction. Here in 3/5, 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator. So numerator here is less than denominator, so 3/5 is proper fraction. Similarly 4/8, 5/11, 7/8 and 4/19 are proper fractions. And in 12/9 numerator is greater than the denominator, so 12/9 is improper fraction. And other fraction in this category are 8/6, 9/5 and 17/9. Now let's define like fraction. The fractions having equal denominator are called like fractions. For example, 1/7, 4/7, 6/7, 8/7 and 11/7. On the other hand, fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 3/7, 3/8, 4/6, 4/9 and 5/11 are unlike fractions. Let's do one question for more understanding. From the following fractions, separate the like fractions. Here are two groups of like fractions, one having denominator 5 and other having denominator 9. These two groups of like fractions are shown here. The remaining two types of fraction will be discussed in next video. Thank you.